it's Cute Freckles0927 here.
And Pokemon Gamer Pro here. And during the video, she might switch over to my campaign.
Yeah, just a little now and then. But I'm going to be teaching you today how to draw a puppy. Now, this is very simple. All you're going to need is
I'm going to tell you
piece of paper.
what type of puppy you should draw.
I'm actually drawing. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a pug. Now, this my friend actually taught me, and I'm not going to be calling out names here because she might not allowed to be on YouTube. But I'm going to show you how to draw a puppy, and the puppy is a pug. Now you are going to be following along, and it's very simple. All you need is a piece of paper and something to draw with. Let's get started. Now we are going to start by drawing a circle. Now, Chris, can you please hold the camera for me? No, just for 1 second, please. Oh my gosh. No respect at all. Please hold the camera. Okay. Now we are going to be starting this by making a circle at the bottom of the page. Just a big old circle.
Big old hat.
I'm going to give you
like
a few seconds to do that.
Let's go. Let's move on. No, you can pause the video if you like, because we're going like you're gonna draw and pause the video and stuff.
Okay. Now the next step is to draw 2 big circles on the ears.
Not too big.
I'm sorry, 2 big circles as the ears, right on top.
Not too big circles, just like small.
Yeah, and then once you're done doing that,
like
you'll do another little circle in there.
Okay, it's starting to look like a panda right now.
Just be patient, Chris. Then a circle on the side, and then 3 lines going right down.
Oh, this is pause.
And come on, Chris, you need to actually be videotaping.
I am.
And then another circle. 1, 2, 3, just like the other one.
Going down.
Yeah, as the claws. Now we are going to be drawing eyes. Now, I usually stop.
If you saw that woman, she is in Halo. I think 3.
That's the eyes,
2,
and then watch.
4, 5.
Once you make one circle, videotape the circle. You do 1 bump and then another bump, and then shade in the rest. It'll look like sparkles in its eyes,
guys,
and
if
it'll
you play
be really
Halo,
cute.
Boss, just subscribe, boss.
Okay,
Scorpions.
you're obviously not.
No, videotape it right now.
Stop.
Scorpions. Those are the
Sorry, my brother's
These
kind
are
of
the best.
annoying sometimes.
Okay, there's the warthog going on right now. The scorpion.
Okay, now
Scorpions are like boss.
1 bump and another bump. I messed up on that, but you know, people make mistakes.
Yeah.
So it shouldn't really look like that. It should be 2 white spots on there, but whatever. Now, a little circle. Then you're going to shade that in. Okay. Now, right now it should look like this. Cute. And this is actually like, it's not like a full dog. It looks like the puppy is jumping up onto the paper, as you can see. Here, wait, I'm gonna, there. So that should be your dog right now. Now, this is just a test. I need to do this on the back real quick. Sorry. Now, I'm going to test this to see if it actually looks good. Nope. Okay. So, we're going to be drawing a pug without the little thingy because I'm bad at that. And then just do a line right down if you want to be like a little smile for the puppy. And then little whiskers if you want to. Done. And then you can add a little tail in the back. Sorry. Not very good at videotaping while I'm drawing, but you know, I'm trying. And this should be what you ended up with. And that is how you draw a puppy. Also, I will teach you how to draw a little cat, okay? Ignore the yelling. Okay.
You, Shayla.
Oh, it's me? Well, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.